Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own salad dressing. Making your own salad dressing is incredibly simple and rewarding. The foundation of many great dressings is a vinaigrette, which typically follows a 3-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar. For example, use 3 tablespoons of olive oil to 1 tablespoon of your favorite vinegar. This basic formula allows for endless customization, ensuring a delicious and fresh addition to any salad. Selecting the right ingredients is key to a fantastic homemade dressing. Start with a high-quality oil, like extra virgin olive oil for a robust flavor or avocado oil for a milder taste. Then, pick your vinegar. Balsamic offers sweetness, while red wine vinegar provides a sharp tang. Don't forget flavor enhancers like a teaspoon of Dijon mustard for emulsification or a pinch of fresh dill for an aromatic touch. These small additions make a big difference. The beauty of making your own dressing is the ability to customize it exactly how you like. Feel free to tweak the oil-to-vinegar ratio. Some prefer a 2-to-1 for a tangier dressing. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a clove of minced garlic, or a tablespoon of finely chopped shallots for an extra layer of flavor. Once prepared, store your delicious creation in a sealed jar in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 7 days. While vinaigrettes are wonderful, don't stop there. You can easily create creamy dressings using ingredients like Greek yogurt for a lighter option or tahini for a nutty, rich texture. Consider blending in fresh fruits like strawberries or roasted vegetables for truly unique and vibrant flavors. Making your own dressing is not only simple, but also ensures you're enjoying a healthy, additive-free condiment. It's a small step that elevates any meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.